Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious steak dish. First, select a good cut of steak, such as a ribeye or sirloin, ideally around 1.5 inches thick for best results. Next, it's crucial to pat your steak completely dry using paper towels. This helps achieve a fantastic crust. Finally, season both sides of your steak generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect cook. Now, let's get that incredible sear. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and let it get very hot, almost smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot skillet and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust to form, locking in all those juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few smashed garlic cloves, and a sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 2 to 4 minutes, or until it reaches your preferred doneness. Once cooked, transfer the steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Finally, it's time to enjoy your masterpiece. Slice the rested steak against the grain into pieces about 1/2 inch thick. This technique ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Arrange the slices beautifully on a plate and serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. For more great cooking tips and to stay refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.